Welcome back to Creating with Poe Designs. My name is Saskia Agrang, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Etsy shop banner. Okay, when you go to your Etsy shop, you go here, like in here, you will have access to to go inside, and then you click on here. Click on here. Okay, let's go down. Okay, here you see, let's say change layout. They have you can choose a banner style. They have two kind of banners. Okay, let's say you have two kinds, but you have three options. If you want, you don't have to have any banners. So you click on it, you see you don't have any banners on here. You see you will have this. If you want a mini banner, it will be this one here. This like piece of stroke here. Okay, and it will give you the size also. It's a 1200 by 160 pixels. Okay, and then you have the big banner, 1200 by 300 pixels. You see what you want to choose, and then you click on done. So then this space will be open for you. So now you will go back in Canva and design it. Don't forget the size. Let's go back to the size. The size is 1200 by 300 pixels. Okay, so let's go into Canva. Okay, here we are in Canva. You go to and then we go to custom size. And with this, we will choose pixels. We had 1200 by 300. Okay, we have pixels. And it says here, Etsy shop cover. You can click on this or you can click on that. Let's click on this. They are just the same. And then you will have this right here. And then when you see the design, when you go to design, select design, you will have different how do you say it? Examples, templates for that. Etsy shop banners. Very nice. You can create from scratch, but you can also use these here. Let's take this one. It depends on what you are selling. You can choose if you love these flowers, you love the color, you can use this. Okay, you can use this, or you can add extra stuff to it. Let's say I add this. Okay, bring it down for instance and send it to the back. Let's say back, let's say to the back. Okay, it's up to you. Let me take it out. Yeah, you can come here and put your shops things for your shop here. Okay, uh but let's go to one that we will design from scratch. We will delete this. We have it on white. Let's go to elements. Elements, you can go in here and look for something. Let's say we look for I'll put glitter. Let's say green glitter. There are different ones. You have photos and graphics. Let's go to graphics. Let's say this one here. Here, duplicate them, add them here. Okay, let's see what else we can add. Let's say we make the background. Let's put in a color there. It depends on how what you color you want to put. This is too dark. We can let's leave it here. Maybe we can do something. Let's go for gold. No, not here. Elements. Go for gold. Let's see what we can do with gold. Okay, with this we see that the background is not good. Let's make it transparent. The background color is wrong. We're going to delete it. Let's keep the gold here. It shouldn't be too crowded. And let's yeah, like so. Okay. Okay. Let's add our text. Adding. You can make it as simple as possible. It depends on what you are selling. If you're selling images, you can add some images on here. Let's say I'm selling AI images. Like I would add some AI images here, remove the background. Like if I'm selling images, add different kind of images here. Okay, like this is one of them. Let me see if I have more. I look for the nicest things. Um, I'm selling these too. Like I would go through all of these. You should have your designs. You should have your images prepared. Like have them there. Send you to the back, backward. Like add your images on here if it's that you're selling. Okay, put all your stuff in here. Let's see if I can use her too. Okay, always add a filter over your designs, your images. Looks very nice and all that. And then add your heading. For instance, mine is creating with. I love to have my thing separately. You can do whatever you want. It's up to you what you want to do. I love to have it like this. Go to the effect and I'll add it to white. I love when it's like this. And then I will have PUI designs separately. And I'll add another font to it. Okay. And then I add here what I'm selling. Like useful templates for any craft project, for any craft projects. Okay, and then we can add another color, put it in another color. For instance, let's see. Okay, that color is not good. Since we are doing green, let's look for green and darker green. Let's go in here and look for a darker green. Yeah, I think this will be good. And for the effects, let's make the outline a little bit thicker. Okay, the gold in the background. Let's see what we can do with it. I don't hope it's too crowded. Let's add more. Let me go down here. Since it's graduation season, I will have graduate items on it. I'll remove the background. I'll add the filter. Okay, and then I think I'll add her here too. She's here, and I'll add her here too. Put her a little bit to the back. Oh, not to the back, like, yeah, right in there. Like she goes here, and then this one goes here. You can make her bigger too. Come on now. Yeah. Let's see if we can make this a little bit smaller. Bring her here. She will be here and she will be here. And this can be here for any craft project. Let's see. Okay. Simple. You can make it simple. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Okay, we have this. I'm going to download it. Download. We want page only the current page, page 2. We download it as a PNG and we're going to download them here. Okay, it's downloaded. So come here. After it's done, it's right here. Okay, it's here. And now we go back to Canva and I'll get it from here and oh yeah, it's right here. Now drop on. Okay, here it is. Okay, and then I will click on save. And then we have it. You see that? Then we have it here, our template. Let's go to View Shop. And you see we have it here. This is so simple on how to make a banner for your Etsy shop. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.